Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing vaadiherbals lip balm. I brought it from nykaa.com. For product link, check description box. Vaadiherbal lip balms are good in quality and available at a very affordable price. I like this lip balm more than any other lip balms because at this price it helpful for moisturizers and heals even chapped and cracked lips. The strawberry lip balm looks like red in color, but when we apply it on lips it almost looks like colorless. These lip balms are available at nykaa.com for around 50 rupees for 5 grams product. I definitely recommended everyone to buy and try this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.